nearly 60% of India's population is non-Hindi speaking, sir. And by doing this, you are depriving at the very threshold the majority of our country's population to comprehend what is there in the bill. This is an exclusionary trend, sir.
Sir, this government has a penchant for changing names. The Indian Penal Code has been changed to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Now the Indian Aircraft Act has been changed to the Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak Bill 2024. But there's nothing much that is new in the bill. There's a change in name, but nothing much that is new. That is because this government likes to think of itself as a game-changer government, but it's only a name-changer government. So why do so many laws have Hindi names? This is imposition of Hindi.
I would like the Union government to change the title of the bill as Aircraft Bill 2024. Don't try to impose Hindi on people who don't speak Hindi. I request the Union government to refrain from naming the bills in Hindi and Sanskrit.
Might be a feeling that something has been imposed. And I also am a very proud Telugu person. I speak Telugu language, I write Telugu language, and I am proud of my culture and my upbringing. So, you might be questioning, you are a Telugu person, how can you allow this kind of this thing? अरे हमारे तेलुगु में भी भारत तो भारत ही बोलते हैं. Vayu is also a Telugu word. So Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak becomes half Telugu for me also. So it is a mixture of all the languages here. It is like everyone coming together, we want to this thing. With the colonialization, there has been a small cocoon that has been developed. And it is, let me reply, sir, I have carefully listened to each and every one. No matter what the allegation is, whatever the suggestion is, I have listened to each and every one, and I'll address the chair. So when this whole colonialization happened, we were created like a cocoon. Now, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we want to break that cocoon and bring the butterfly out and show the colors of true India, and that is what we are doing here. And this name is a small indication towards it. The text is there in English, so there shouldn't be any problem for any English-speaking person to in fact get afraid that there are 3 words here. कभी तो अभी लगेगा कि कॉपरनिकस लेन है यहाँ पे, किसी के गली में अटकता है तो बदल दे क्या उसको? कॉपरनिकस लेन तो है ही. And my name is Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu. And when some people say Kinjarapu, there might be some problem with them. They can't pronounce it the way I pronounce it. But that doesn't mean that I'll change my name so that it becomes easier for them. ये तो मेरी पहचान है. और उसी तरह अभी शायद ये 2 बार बोलने से 3 बार बोलने से थोड़ा मुश्किल होता होगा. But India has gotten used to so many things, sir. I think they will get used to this one also.